If you're like a lot of people, you need a spare key for your vehicle, but you don't want to pay hundreds and hundreds of dollars that car dealerships charge. Some places it's like $600 to get a spare key made for your vehicle. That's crazy. I'm Mike with Tom's Key Company. I want to show you how we can help you save hundreds and hundreds of dollars getting a spare key made for your vehicle with our do-it-yourself spare key solutions. Come visit tomskey.com, find your vehicle, and we'll help you get a new key in no time. We've got thousands of vehicles on our website, so chances are yours is there. But if it's not, be sure you leave your email and vehicle information. We're always working to add more vehicles, and we hope to have yours soon. All of our products come with a full money-back guarantee, so if it doesn't work, never fear. Reach out to us, help@tomskey.com. We'll work with you to solve the problem. If we can't, ship it all back, and you get your money back. It's that easy. Let me show you how easy it is to use this do-it-yourself solution to make a new spare key for Ford vehicles. Today, we're looking at a flip key, the ones that you push a button and it flips out. Let's take a look. One of the first things you have to do is get your key cut. Be sure to stick around to the end where I show you something really important about your emergency key blade that you don't want to forget when you get a new key or fob made for your vehicle. To begin, come down by your gas and brake pedal, look around to find the OBD2 port, and plug the programmer in. Okay, so for the demonstration, I've put an extension cable to the OBD2 port. And you start the app, you may need to scan the QR code. This phone's already been paired with this programmer, but be sure you get the right QR code. This is instructions. The one up here is the one to scan, and that'll get the device number. The programmer will have a green light on it. We need to get our app opened and get it paired. So it's looking for a Bluetooth device. We're going to pair it. It'll turn blue when it's paired. It wants to pair, yes. And there we go. The light's blue. We've got a green connected up here, and it's paired. Okay, looks like I need to check the firmware. Firmware is up to date. So with this connection made, I'm going to back up here and go into key pairing. We need stable Wi-Fi, have all the keys we plan to pair, and the original keys and the pairing tool. Here's the two original keys for this vehicle. One's got the tile key finder, and the other one has this white tag on it. You can pick up a tile key finder, it pairs to your smartphone, and then your phone can help you find your keys whenever they're lost. You only need one working key. If you have the unfortunate situation of having lost all your car keys, I'm sorry. I'm also excited to let you know that we have a new partnership that may be able to help you. Go to our website, find the All Keys Lost page, and get some help there. So even if we just had the one key, we could use this to make our new spare key. This one does not work yet, has not been programmed, buttons do nothing, and it'll turn the ignition, but it won't start. Does nothing to the engine. So, let's get programming. Okay, I'm gonna hit the start button. Okay, we need to get our VIN put in here. Two easy places to find your VIN. One, let's get out of the vehicle. Now this app has a VIN scanning device. So let's see if we can scan it here. It doesn't always work. Okay, look at that. It actually scanned the VIN very nicely. I'm just gonna look that it is correct. Okay, so it's correctly detected our 2020 F-150. And then it's asking me which kind of key we have. Smart key, blade key, or a blade key that's a flip key. Ours is a flip key here, right? So we're gonna do that one. It's got the remote buttons on it. I'm gonna take my working key, put it in the ignition within 30 seconds. Okay, it tells us how many we need. This can take up to 10 to 15 minutes depending on the vehicle. The dashboard turning dark, and this screen over here that says vehicle network communication error. This is all normal. It's part of the programming process as it communicates with the security system. Accessing security, please wait. What it says here. All right, there we go. Things came back to life. Panels up. Okay, turn the ignition off. Pull your key out. I'm going to put my new key in that needs to be paired. Turn it 2 clicks to the on position within 60 seconds. It's pairing the key. I just heard the lock cycle. Pairing complete. It now tells me the number of working keys is 3. This should all be done. It's complete. Let's check it. Pulling my key out. I'm going to disconnect this programmer, get it off, and let's see if it starts the engine. There we go. Look at that. Can you believe how much the dealerships charge? Look at that. You can do it yourself in under 15 minutes. That's amazing. Let's take our original key, show that it still works too. All right, let's test the original. It works. Let's test the new one. It works. Let's try our remote start. There, remote start. It says turn the key on in order to drive. And when I do that, we got our built Ford buff. Before you can program your new spare key, you need to get your key blade cut to match your existing key. To do that, you can either run all over town trying to find someplace to cut it, or you can add our Key by Photo key cutting service during checkout. Then you take 3 pictures of your key blade, make sure your phone is directly above the key so we can see the edges clearly so it's cut properly. After completing checkout on the website, there's a link where you'll upload these photos. In a few days, your new key will arrive cut, already fitting your vehicle. Our Key by Photo key cutting service is really cool. It saves a ton of time and hassle, and we think it's pretty amazing. So, can you believe how easy that was to make a spare key for your Ford vehicle? This F-150, it's a 2020 F-150. We had an original key with our Key by Photo service and this programming device. We've now got a spare key made, and it only took about 15 minutes. Super easy. We also aim to provide great customer service. If you run into problems, the instruction manual has technical support. There's a phone number. You can also email us, help@tomskey.com, and we'll work to solve your problem, because we know you come to Tom's Key Company to save money making a spare key for your vehicle right at home in your driveway. So come visit tomskey.com today, place an order for your vehicle, and get a new spare key on its way today. And please, leave a comment down below. Let others know about your experience, how it worked, how easy it was, how much money you saved if you got a quote from the dealership. Help others learn that they can save tons of money with do-it-yourself car key programming solutions from Tom's Key Company. Thanks, and we look forward to helping you get a spare key or 2 or 3. Have a great day.